Good morning to all of you. The Honorable High Court of Bombay, bench at Aurangabad, they have given a peculiar decision asking the Station House officer Wasmat Nagar to purchase law books worth about 10,000 rupees and produce the receipt and present them to his police station only, Wasmat Nagar police station. Why this happened? How the court has come to such a situation where the SHO was asked to pay 10,000 rupees compensation, of course in the form of purchasing of the books, because failure to oblige the orders of the High Court and give a reply. For this, since the mistake is simple, so he was let off with the so-called fine of 10,000 or purchase of books like that. Now, let us go through what happened. So, this resulted in the writ petition number 676 by 2017. You can see the case as Gopinath versus Ravuji Galande versus State of Maharashtra and others 2021, because the judgment was given, the orders were given on 5/4/2021 by two judges bench. So, Justice Ravindra V. Ghuge, Ghuge, peculiar Maharashtra name, and B.O. Devadwar. So these people, they have given the so-called directions, right? So Mr. Gopinath, coming to the facts of the case, Mr. Gopinath is working as a teacher in Lokamanya Tilak Siksha Samsthan, Wasmat Nagar, right? Of course, his services were not regularized, and actually he has to pay some bribe to the management to get his services regularized. Since he did not pay the money or bribe amount, a lady teacher was asked to take charge of his position, and she was asked to work in two places. So basing on these irregularities, he filed two complaints, one in 2013 before the Wasmat Nagar PS and the second one is 2017. Of course, the case was registered regarding the 2000 incident, 17 incident. But no action was taken on the incident which was reported in 2013. Yes, the incident which was, yes, he has 10/8/2013. He is supposed to have given the complaint on 10/8/2013, but we do not know what action was taken. So he filed a writ petition against the management, against the state, against the SHO, all these things. So as far as the SHO is concerned, because our case is confined to that only. So since, of course, I am sure that the police would not could not find any merit in the complaint in 2013. They would have refused investigation. Definitely, I am sure. According to 155, they would have refused the investigation, telling it is a non-cognizable matter, because the teacher and management dispute, definitely it comes under civil action. But it is not known as to action was taken. When the writ petition came up before the High Court, then the High Court asked the SHO Wasmat Nagar. Of course, they have directed the Superintendent of Police only to order the SHO Wasmat Nagar to reply to the queries made by the High Court about what action was taken to the complaint dated 10/8/2013 in the Wasmat Nagar PS. This is the thing. But there is no reply. No reply was there. Even actually the matter was posted on 28/1/2021, but no reply. Once again, the matter is posted to March, but holding that the SHO has to come personally and he has to pay he has to pay a fine of rupees 10,000. So as stated on the March is once again March yesterday on March, this man, the SHO, has turned up before the High Court. So, on his behalf, the public prosecutor, he requested the Honorable Court that, no doubt, the High Court orders were sent to the Superintendent of Police, Hingoli, Hingoli Superintendent of Police, yes. But since the fax machine in Wasmat Nagar PS has not been working properly, it was not received by this man, and the SHO was kept ignorant of the fact. No communication, no personal communication was there. Therefore, he could not give the reply. So, otherwise, we could have given the reply. So, this is the thing. Right? Anyway, So since even though his reply is not satisfactory, since he was personally present and he filed the affidavit, then the court is satisfied. But they asked him, instead of paying the fine of 10,000, you please purchase the latest bare acts of Indian Penal Code, CRPC, Evidence Act, POCSO Act, Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act, then SCST, Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989, and Prevention of Terrorism Act 2002, it is not there. And Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act, Domestic Violence Act, so many acts. So worth about 10,000 you purchase. So you get the receipt, purchase and keep present it to Vasmatnagar police station, and you have to give the receipt to the public prosecutor, who will file the same on 5/4/2021. Okay, he filed. And in this meanwhile, the SHO requested the Honorable Court that he will give 2,500 to the Bar Library of Aurangabad High Court, but the High Court did not agree. It has to be deducted from the salary, or if he has money, okay, he can purchase the books and present them to the Vasmatnagar police station. Right? It's a good thing. It's one way useful to the police officers. Whenever they get a doubt on SC/ST Act, they can refer to the Act, other things also. Very recently, I have seen just a day before yesterday in Gundlapalli, there was a legal literacy camp where we presented the bare acts to the students, law students, who came out successful in skipping, in oratory, communications, all these things. But as a punishment also, the books were distributed in this particular case. Very recently, the High Court of Telangana, they have also actually given punishment to an excise, I think Deputy Commissioner Cardamar, to go and serve food for 100 people on the Ramzan day near the mosque. So very peculiar type of judgments are coming. So please go through such judgments and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much. Finally, I wanted to thank all my subscribers. There is 1.44k subscribers for allowing me to give 1,000 videos. This is the 1,000th video. I thank you very much for your cooperation. So I will continue the giving videos as far as legal matters are concerned. Thank you very much. Namaste.